What floor do you live on?
On the third floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, there is.
Do you have a balcony?
No, I don't.
Is your apartment furnished?
Yes, fully furnished.
Do you have a TV?
Yes, in the living room.
Do you have internet?
Yes, Wi-Fi.
Is your neighborhood safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is it noisy?
No, it's quiet.
Are there shops nearby?
Yes, many shops.
Is there a supermarket close?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Do you have parking?
Yes, 1 parking space.
Would you like to move?
Maybe in the future.
Where would you like to live?
Closer to downtown.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, especially broccoli.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite meat?
Chicken.
Do you like fish?
Yes, very much.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, no allergies.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite drink?
Coffee.
Do you drink tea?
Sometimes yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally.
What's your favorite restaurant?
An Italian place nearby.
How often do you eat out?
Once a week.
Do you like fast food?
Not really.
Can you cook well?
Pretty well, yes.
What can you cook?
Pasta, chicken, salads.
Do you bake?
No, I don't.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially chocolate.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What's a typical breakfast for you?
Eggs and toast.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Where do you shop for groceries?
At the supermarket.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, always.
Do you buy organic food?
Sometimes yes.
How much do you spend on groceries?
About $80 per week.
Do you shop online?
Yes, often.
What do you buy online?
Clothes and electronics.
Do you like clothes shopping?
Not really.
Where do you buy clothes?
At the mall.
How often do you buy new clothes?
Every few months.
How often do you buy new clothes?
Every few months.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
What's your favorite store?
Gap.
Do you follow fashion?
No, not really.
Do you like sales?
Yes, I love discounts.
Do you use coupons?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, always.
Do you return things often?
Rarely.
Do you prefer cash or card?
Card.
Do you save receipts?
Yes, for returns.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Is it hot or cold?
It's warm.
What's the temperature?
About 75 degrees.
Is it raining?
No, it's dry.
Do you like rain?
Not really.
What's your favorite season?
Spring.
Why do you like spring?
The weather is perfect.
Do you like summer?
Yes, for vacations.
Is summer hot where you live?
Yes, very hot.
Do you like winter?
Not much.
Does it snow where you live?
No, never.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, in the mountains.
Do you like autumn?
Yes, I love it.
What do you like about autumn?
The colors and cool weather.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
What app do you use?
The Weather Channel.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, beautiful.
What will the weather be tomorrow?
Sunny and warm.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, in my bag.
Do you like cloudy days?
Yes, they're relaxing.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have several.
What are your hobbies?
Reading and photography.